Finally, we're going to continue the welding that I had promised when I did the unboxing about 4 weeks ago. I've just been pretty busy. Work takes a toll on me. Anyways, before I start, I want to not congratulate, but I want to thank YesWelder. I don't know if you all remember, but the electrode was broken. So I sent an email to YesWelder, and they immediately, within 4 days, they sent me a new one. And this one's a 300 amp rated. Yeah, it's a YesWelder. So yeah, it's a 300 amp. So anyways, let me get set up. I'm gonna be here in the trailer. What I'm gonna weld is a 12 gauge 2x2 metal, because I want to mount my entrance to my gate, my keypad. And so I'm gonna weld, and the welding rods I'm gonna use is I have a 532, which uses, according to here, Hobart, uses 130 to 160 amps. I don't know if you can see there. And I also have the 1/16 rod, which I'll probably start out with a 1/16 and see how I do, and then we'll go with a bigger rod. So anyways, so let me get everything ready. Let me get everything set up. Remember, this is the first time I've done this, so you know, if this thing starts sticking or whatever, just be patient with me. So come along, let's go. Okay, so here we go. I'm using the 1/16 rod. I connected my grounding and I got it on 80 degrees. And well, let's start. This is my first. Let's see how I do. Now, what I think the mistake I was doing, as it was burning, I wasn't pushing the rod down. I did raise up the heat, so I'm going to bring it down a little bit lower. And let's try another rod. Now, these are the 1/16 rod. Okay, now I'm going to turn it around. Well, as you can see, with practice, I'm sure it'll be a lot easier. And once I connect that to 220, I could probably get 205 amps. And I could use the 5, I believe it's a 532 rod. It's a 6013 532. Yeah, it's a 532 rod. So I guess the welds, I mean, for a guy that's never welded, I got the piece together. I'm gonna get a hammer, see if I can break it out. It's good enough for me. Anyways, I highly recommend this YesWelder. It's $127. I will leave a link below. Just press the link. It will come out. It will help the channel out. I'm affiliated with eBay and Amazon, so I strongly appreciate your help. And don't forget, it's very simple. If you like the video, subscribe. If you don't dislike it, if you don't like it, I thank you for watching anyways. Until next time. If there's anything you all want me to do on the video, please let me know. I promise you, I will do my best to accommodate it. Let me know what you want, and I'll do it for you. Until next time, have a good day.